The reason that I sought out ATMC is that I was dealing with major depression at home. Last 5 years, I was on numerous psychiatric meds, not really working to any avail. So, and I had 4 hospitalizations, and things got worse, and my life became more isolated, and I just didn't have much purpose or enjoyment in life. So I knew I needed extra help. My overall experience at the detox shop was very good. Lotus, who heads it up, is a wonderful, caring lady. She runs it in such a expert way. There's sauna there, backroom services, all to deal with detoxifying the body and also relaxation. My most helpful group in the evenings was with John, who is the program director. He taught us a lot of ways to deal with what we're going through in life, and he just was a man of a wealth of knowledge for me to take home with. I do feel that I have been supported a great deal from this program. The discharge, they help you pick out therapists, and you're offered to follow up life coaching and just get you in the right place so when you're back home you could continue your life, continue to heal. There's also supplements that you could take home and have them sent to you monthly to continue being on, that will be helpful with your overall health. My favorite things that I enjoyed at ATMC, some of it had to do with the interaction with other residents and realizing that we're all struggling in our own ways. And also, I had a lot of interconnection with certain caregivers who are a huge support to me, and I'll remember them for my life. Those of you who are struggling with your mental health issues, I recommend that you look into ATMC. I found them to be the place that I needed with their holistic approach of helping me get off my psychiatric meds and learning so much about the chemistry of our brain and how our body interacts with our brain, and also learning tools to just help us in our recovery on our return home. I'm very grateful to ATMC. They have really helped me a lot.